Okay guys, here's a little update. Here's what I discovered. Take the damn cord off because this little thing doesn't pump enough air to paint. So if you just use it like this, it lays it a lot better.
Welcome to No Pros RC.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is part 2 of No Pros trying to paint the Hellcat. My favorite color, green, in this case neon green. So yeah, we're just going to get right into the video and see what happens. This is the second coat. The last time I painted it was Sunday. Obviously the paint has cured for the last 3 days, and let's just get right into it. Really go through some paint quickly, hoping I can get enough paint down, because it's going to need a lot of coats, at least 2 more coats.
A few moments later.
Well, it's not finished, but it's coming along slowly, so stay tuned. We got a long way to go, No Pros. If you're new to the channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Give me a sympathy like, I would appreciate it. And until the next one, y'all be easy. Peace.
Hold up, No Pros, just a second.
Here's what I discovered. Take the damn cord off because this little thing doesn't pump enough air to paint. So if you just use it like this, it lays it a lot better. So after discovering that little secret, it looks like it's laying a lot better. I still need probably another tube of this for another couple coats, but it's coming along. It's coming along. I'm starting to like it better and better. But it still has some white spots, but we'll clean it up as best we can for a No Pro. And then the final product should be okay, but we'll see. You guys just have to stay tuned.
Thank you for watching. Click to my right or left for another No Pros RC video.